Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Motorola 7D. First, open the quick settings, then click on Bluetooth, disable it and enable once again. After a couple of seconds, go into the Bluetooth, click and hold to open the Bluetooth settings. Now, near your device, click the gear icon and then forget the device. Click pair a new device and try to pair it once again. Click pair. If it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.